How did Iron Age societies produce iron? Imagine a time when humans first learned to turn rocks into tools that could shape their world. That moment marked a major shift in history, and it all started with how they made iron. Iron Age societies produced iron through a process called smelting. This involved heating iron-rich rocks, known as iron ore, to very high temperatures inside special furnaces. The goal was to extract the pure metal from the rock. The most common types of iron ore used were hematite and bog iron. These rocks contain iron oxides, which need to be broken down to get the metal. First, the ore was crushed into smaller pieces to make it easier to work with. Then, it was mixed with charcoal, a form of carbon made by burning wood in low oxygen conditions. Charcoal served two main purposes. It provided the intense heat needed for smelting and acted as a reducing agent. This means it helped remove oxygen from the iron oxides, turning them into metallic iron. The furnaces used in the Iron Age were often made from clay or stone and designed to reach temperatures around 1200 degrees Celsius. To make the process more efficient, workers blew air into the furnace using bellows, often made from animal skins. The air entered through a pipe called a tuyere, which was usually made of clay. As the ore and charcoal heated up, the iron oxides were reduced to metallic iron, which collected at the bottom of the furnace as a spongy mass called a bloom. This bloom was not pure iron but a mixture of iron and slag, a glassy waste material from impurities. The bloom was removed while still hot, and then hammered or forged to squeeze out the slag and shape the iron into tools or weapons. Archaeologists find slag and tuyere fragments at ancient sites, which tell us where and how iron was made. Iron production often took place near farms or villages, meaning it was part of everyday life. Sometimes, the same craftsmen worked with both bronze and iron, showing how these skills overlapped. Once the iron was ready, it was used to make stronger tools, sharper weapons, and more durable objects. These innovations changed farming, warfare, and society itself. So, in simple terms, Iron Age societies made iron by heating iron ore with charcoal in special furnaces, producing a spongy mass called a bloom, which was then shaped into useful objects. The evidence left behind, like slag and tuyere pieces, helps us understand how ancient people mastered this powerful technology.